The next product that I want to demonstrate to you is LDC. Now, LDC stands for Light Duty Concentrate. And LDC substitute all soap in your house. It's got a coconut oil base and it's very, very soft on your hands. Again, no caustics in. So you dilute LDC in this little mixing bottle, 1 part to 5 parts of water. So I'm going to dilute it for you. It's a nice thick orangey liquid, and you actually make 6 liters out of 1 liter. So I'm just going to fill it up. It's up to that little mark there, and fill it up with water. And this one product substitute actually all soap in your house. Whenever you think of using soap in your house, like bars of soap at your basin, your shower, the bath, wherever you use bars of soap, you can substitute with the LDC. And also in the kitchen, you can actually use it to wash your dishes in ice cold water. Now, I've asked my domestic lady, she's my right hand, I've asked her to come and help me with the demonstration. Her name is Margie. Margie, come along and assist me with the demo. This is Margie. Okay, so Margie, I'm going to put some cooking oil on your hands, and then we're going to wash it in ice cold water to demonstrate that you can use the LDC in ice cold water. Rub it into your hands like that nicely and show the camera how nice and greasy it looks. Okay, so now I'm going to put the LDC on, and she's going to wash her hands. All right, wash your hands. And this is cold water. Now, just to make sure that it is cold, I'm going to put some ice in the water. As you can see, there's some ice, just to make sure that it is really cold. Now, have you ever tried to wash your greasy pots and pans and dry grits in ice cold water? I promise you it won't work. So let's put some cold water on the oil, like this. Wash your hands. Is it cold?
It's cold.
Very cold. And some ice bricks as well. Okay, so now you dry your hands. And then you can tell us if there's still oil on your hands.
No.
And does it smell?
No.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you, Margie. Thank you very much. You can take this. I can just show the camera maybe. It keeps fat in suspension, so there's little drops of oil that will be on the water. So when you pull the plug, you won't have a ring in your basin, and the same applies to your bath. If you pull the plug, there will not be a ring in the bath. So put your kids in the bath and they play themselves clean, and you can just pull the plug. The bath will be clean. And the other product that I want to demonstrate the LDC is for cleaning your vegetables. It's very important that you wash all the pesticides and herbicides off from your vegetables before you cook it. Now I've got a broccoli head here that I've cut in two. Now what you normally do when you cook your broccoli, you break it up in florets, and then you just wash it under the tap and you put it in the pot to cook it. But that is not good enough. Water alone is not good enough. I want to demonstrate to you that what happens if you put water on just water on top of the broccoli. The farmers spray the vegetables and the broccoli with a sticker. It's a layer, a fatty layer that they spray on top of it, so that when they put pesticides and herbicides on it, the rain and the sprinkle of the water won't wash the poison off. So we need to get rid of the poison. So this is what normally happens when you wash your vegetables. Can you see there? It runs off like an umbrella. So you can use this as a nice umbrella, this broccoli. Okay. Now, if I put some LDC in the water, like this, give it a nice squirt in there, and I'm just going to take half of this because I've cut it in two pieces so that you can actually see the difference. So I'm going to clean this half in the water with the LDC in like this, just nice and clean. It actually breaks that fatty layer, the sticker layer on top of it, and it gets rid of the pesticides. So if I put this back now where it was, just to show you what is happening when you wash it again. That one is the dirty one still. Can you see there? It's still like an umbrella. This side is the clean side. Can you see what happens? The water runs straight through it and the surface tension is broken like this. Okay, now if you look at the color closely, you will see the one side is nice and green and the other one is still grayish. Which side would you like to eat? I definitely would prefer this clean side. Okay, so this is just a demo on how you can use LVC also for cleaning your vegetables.